How to remove someone from a Slack workspace. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open Slack and navigate to Workspace Settings. Click your workspace name at the top left corner, then select Settings and Administration, and go to Manage Members. This will show a list of all users currently in your workspace. 2. Locate the user you want to remove. You can use the search bar to find them quickly. Once you find the person, click on their name to open their profile. 3. Click on the 3-dot menu next to their name. This will show options like Message, View Profile, and Remove from Workspace. Select Remove from Workspace. 4. If the user is an admin, you must first revoke their admin permissions before removing them. To do this, go to Manage Members, find their name, click Edit, and change their role to a regular user. Then, proceed with the removal. 5. Confirm the removal by clicking Remove when prompted. Slack will immediately log them out of the workspace, and they will no longer have access to messages, files, or channels. 6. If you want to prevent them from rejoining, update your workspace's invitation settings. Go to Settings and Permissions and adjust who can send workspace invitations. This ensures they cannot be invited back without approval. 7. If the removal was due to security concerns, review channel history to see if any sensitive information was shared. Consider changing passwords or updating security settings to protect your workspace.